An event is happening in real time, and until you're actually in the middle of it, I don't think you can learn it from a textbook. You have to do it. I'm Emily Dietrich. I'm currently the Director of Event Sales for Stone Eagle Winery and Two Sisters Vineyards. Taking the postgraduate event management certificate at Niagara College helped bridge the gap between education to real-world experience, because it was that combination of the coursework and then the placement hours. You're doing the academic learning, but you're also, right from the very beginning of the school year, working directly with industry professionals. Those connections are just as important as the coursework. Hospitality is a thriving industry in this area. Taking the program in a tourist destination is really an ideal fit for immersing yourself in that environment. It worked out perfectly that I wasn't even finished school yet and I already had a full-time job that I kind of launched directly into. So you really get a lot of opportunity to dip your toes into a variety of events, which really helps inform you so that when you are looking for your first job, you have a general understanding about what each of these roles actually entail. You start to wrap your head around all the options that you have and really start to see where you see yourself fitting into one of them. Here I am, still in Niagara, 14 years later, because there's been so many opportunities here.